Mwiri wa mutigaire Kenneth Matiba ukinyire mbirira-ini cia Lang'ata thaa 7 cia miaraho umagaritio ni muthabara na urangiri wa mwanya uria ukoretwo ukirumanirira na mwiri ucio magongona-ini matiganite. Andu a nyumba na arata maigira nyumba-ini ino na mahariri igongona rikuhi ria mahoya muira wa mwiri wa mutigaire kwanjia gucinwo. Na tondu igongona riri riuma ria andu a nyumba tu na arata a hakuhi, andiki a mohoro matinetikirio kuhura mbica igongona riu rigithie na mbere.
It is a private function, and that is why I came to request you not to take any films or pictures. He wanted it to be very, very private, so you saw only very close family members came. I only came here because of my job. This comes under me, and you can see even none of the dignitaries came, including my boss, the governor of Nairobi. Nobody attended. It was a solely private function, and I think we should all respect what he told us. So we should all leave, I think.
Thaa 8:30 cia miaraho ndogo yanjia kuoneka kuma haria miri icinagirwo mbirira-ini ici, kionereria kiiganu ati mwiri wa Matiba ni wacinwo.
Akia atutigire machoke matutigire mwiri ucio tondu after gwakia ni mabatie guthie matibati kwetera tondu ugutumira mathaa 6-7 hau and I think machino mathaa maingi muno andu maikarite o hau, so ibatie andu magwatia mona mwaki na wa kana mathie.
Riu andu a nyumba ya mutigaire Matiba magirire kugira muhu wa mwiri wa Matiba muthenya wa rucio mosheri-ini ya City guku Nairobi.
Mabatie ku collect mu wao muthenya uyu ungi City mosheri not Lang'ata. Ithuĩ tuongania tumahĩndĩ twa tunini turatigarire kĩndũ ta quarter of a kilo ama no of a kilo ama something even less than a kilo. City mosheri ni turi gathĩi tugathie tugathĩa mwĩrĩ ũcio tukamapakĩra, so mabatie uka collect that ash muthenya uyu ungi.
Akenya angi megatu aria macinirwo handu ha guthikwo ni hamwe na uria wari muteteri wa maria maturigicĩirie Wangari Maathai, uria wari muthikabu munene wa kanitha wa Anglican guku bururi-ini Manasseh Kuria, mutumia wa muthikabu ucio Mary Kuria, uria wari minista wa mathako Joshua Okuthe, uria wari muthaki wa muthako wa golf Peter Njiru, gatagati ka Akenya angi.
I'm a Hindu, so as we are cremated, so I'm pro-cremation. If you ask me if people should be cremated or buried, of course I'm Hindu, I'll say we'll go for cremation, but I don't want to be giving a biased view. Let the people decide.
Andu no marathi makiongagĩrĩrĩkaga uhoro wa gucina. To me, ngatu andu ni marathi makiendaga undu ucio, but kahora muno. No gucina thiini wa mweri umwe tukucinaga andu ta 5 rijia 5 nginya 10, so hari mwaka mugima tucinaga andu ta 60 roughly 60 hau.
Maina wa Wairigi, Inooro TV.